we can now authoritatively say that it's not a petition that emanated from either the leadership or from the parliamentary group meeting of both houses. So we will talk to him if he feels that is his right as per the constitution. Then, but for us, we want number two. We want to talk to our colleagues, the Jubilee members of Parliament, that our focus as a party and its affiliate, our focus now is none other than the campaign for the October 17 presidential elections. We want to tell our colleagues that let us forget other issues, let's forget the sideshows. Let us deal with the re-election of President Uhuru Kenyatta come October 17, 2017.
We have had a conversation, a telephone conversation with him, and he has made it clear that he was passionate about his application, and that the issues he has raised, he believes in them. And therefore, we, like Honorable Duale is saying, the concentration of Jubilee leadership is not at the moment matters related to the Supreme Court, because we suffered the consequence of that decision. We don't agree with it, but there's a greater focus in terms of the elections of 17th of October, which are more important to us than focusing on the petition at this particular time.